Have you ever wondered why some people excel in their careers while others seem to struggle? The secret might not be in their skills or knowledge, but in their work ethic. Now, what exactly do we mean when we say work ethic? It's a set of values centered on the importance of work and its inherent value to an individual's character. It's about dedication, commitment, and a willingness to go the extra mile. It's the difference between showing up and stepping up. Those with a strong work ethic are often the ones who rise to the top. They're the ones who are reliable, who deliver on their promises, and who constantly seek to improve. They're not just interested in getting the job done, but in doing it to the best of their ability. Improving your work ethic can be your ticket to professional success. And in our next scenes, we'll explore how exactly you can do that. Many people believe that work ethic is something you're born with. Either you have it or you don't. But that's not the case. Now, that's a misconception that's been floating around for quite some time. You see, work ethic isn't a genetic trait that you inherit from your parents, nor is it a fixed personality characteristic. Instead, think of it as a muscle. Just like how you can train your body to run faster or lift heavier, you can train your work ethic to be stronger, more resilient. It's all about conditioning and practice. You don't wake up one day with a robust work ethic. It's something that's cultivated over time with consistent effort and the right mindset. So if you're sitting there thinking, oh, I just don't have a good work ethic, don't despair. It's not a life sentence. It's an opportunity for growth and development. Remember, work ethic is not a talent, it's a skill, and like any skill, it can be improved. The most commonly used tool for improving work ethic is self-discipline. This isn't just about resisting that extra slice of chocolate cake or hitting the gym when you'd rather be on the couch. In the context of work ethic, self-discipline is about setting clear, achievable goals and consistently striving to meet them even when the going gets tough. And think of self-discipline as the engine that drives your work ethic. It's the fuel that keeps you going, pushing you to meet deadlines, stay organized, and deliver quality work every time. So how do you cultivate this self-discipline? It starts with setting clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and break it down into manageable steps. Then, stay consistent. Consistency is key in developing a strong work ethic. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. They're a part of the journey. Instead, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. With self-discipline, you can take control of your work ethic and steer your career in the direction you want. Imagine what you could achieve with a stronger work ethic. It's like a superpower that can elevate you to new heights in your career. So what are the benefits of this superpower? Well, let's start with productivity. The stronger your work ethic, the more efficiently you work and the more you get done. It's not about burning the midnight oil, but about making every hour count. Now let's talk about opportunities. A strong work ethic opens doors. People notice your drive, your commitment, and your results. That can lead to promotions, new project assignments, or even a dream job offer. And finally, there's job satisfaction. When you work hard and see the fruits of your labor, it's incredibly rewarding. It can boost your confidence, make you feel valued, and even make your work more enjoyable. So you see, a strong work ethic isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter, and it can transform your career. Are you ready to take your work ethic to the next level? If so, it's time to put into practice what we've discussed in this guide. It's not about overnight transformation, it's about gradual, consistent progress. Think about your daily routines. Where can you incorporate more self-discipline? Perhaps you could start your day a little earlier or resist the temptation of social media during work hours. Consider the benefits we've discussed: the increased productivity, the respect from colleagues, the satisfaction of a job well done. Let these motivate you as you embark on your journey to a stronger work ethic. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is progress. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth, celebrate the small victories along the way, and most importantly, be patient with yourself. Remember, improving your work ethic is a journey, not a destination. Start today and see where it takes you. Don't forget to subscribe and share your experiences in the comments below.